Up there! Go back! There is danger ahead. Go back! There is danger ahead. Go back! It's for your own good. Go back! If you continue this journey, you will not make it. Go back! There is danger ahead. Go back! Go back! Go back! Guys, mount your camera on a tripod, use landscape mode. But at this point, remember we are recording 2 videos here, alright? Then after that, you walk into your scene. You walk, you do as if you are shocked. Then you can stand there, gaze up, look up for some few seconds or some few minutes. After that, you can change your position and do as if you bend down, alright? Then you can now majestically walk out of the scene. Then you record this your head part. Just record it. Make sure your eyes and mouth are very visible. You say anything of your choice. After some few seconds or some few minutes, you know what you want to achieve. You know what you want to be saying. You know what you want to showcase. Then after some few seconds or few minutes, you can now just walk out. Alright? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Welcome to your gallery as we create this amazing video together, guys. Click on CapCut, new project now. Import this video to workspace. We need this empty background. Click here and look for freeze, alright? Then you freeze this part. Click here now and make a split. Click on the last part, make a split. So you come back and click on overlay. Look at overlay there. Add overlay. Import this Mr. Green Screen Mask Head. Import it to workspace. Let's locate the part of it we want to use. Alright. Look for freeze again. Then you freeze this part again. Freeze this part. Click the first part and delete it. Alright. Delete it. Click on the second one, delete it. Click this one and drag it to the beginning to align with the video. Then you click it and go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, chroma key, drag it, mark on this good and go back. Click it again. Locate, adjust. Click on adjust, HSL. Click on HSL, mark on green. Reduce this saturation to 100%. You mark on this good. Then you go back. Click on it, then you expound it. After expounding it, you mark anywhere and click on add overlay. Then you import this your head. Click this your head part, then you import it to workspace. Locate where you want it to start from. Alright. Locate where you want it to start from. Click here now. Then you are going to be making a split to delete this first part. Click it and drag it to the beginning of the video. Alright, drag it to the beginning of the video. Locate where you want it to end. Alright, you click it and make another split. Alright, make another split. Delete this last part. Then you click it and go and look for duplicate. Locate duplicate. You duplicate it into 2 places. Then you come back. As you come back now, you are going to be dragging this background to align with this video. Bring it to the end part. Click on the green screen layer 2. Then you drag it to come to the end. After which you come back now. Click on this third layer, your head. Then you expound it. Your subject target here is this your eye. So expound it. After expounding it, you go and look for mask. Locate mask. Click on mask. Click on circle. Circle this your right eyes. Come down and circle this your right eyes. Alright. Just come down and circle it. After circling it, you are going to be playing with this feather icon here. Alright. Just come down and circle it. After circling it, you play with this feather icon by dragging it down a little bit. Then you mark on this good. then you go back, then drag the eyes and put it on that mask head eyes, make it align. After which now you go and drag the second part of the duplicate part of the video, after which click it and still expound it to reveal that your eyes part again. After revealing it, you still go and look for mask for the second time. Click on mask, click on circle again, circle your left eyes. This time circle your left eyes, do your circling, come down and do your circling so that it will look neat and professional. Then circle it. Just come down and do your circling. After circling it, remember you are still playing with this feather icon here. After circling it, all right, you play with this feather icon. Then after playing with the feather icon, then you mark on the good, then you go back, all right, then you carry it and position it at the eyes of the mask. Play it, let us see what we have got. But at this point, we are still going to go and drag the third part of the video, which is the duplicate part, the third one. Click it and drag it, all right. Drag it to the beginning of the video. Then you still click it again, then you expound it. This time your mouth is the subject here. We want to work with your mouth, so expound it. Then you go and look for mask, click on mask, click on circle, then you circle your mouth this time. Come down and do the circling, circle your mouth, all right, circle your mouth. Remember, after circling your mouth, you are still playing with the feather icon like you did to the eyes, the two eyes part. So come down and do your circling, after which you play with this feather icon, all right. After playing with the feather icon, you mark on the good and go back, crumple it and position it at the mouth part of the mask head, all right. But right now you can see that the mouth is still too sharp, so click it and still look for that mask. Click on the mask again, then you play with this feather icon. Good. At this point it's looking good now. Then you mark on this good and go back. After doing it, then we are going to be positioning it where it's going to make it look good. Then you play it from the beginning. Look at what we have got, guys. Look at what we have got.
Go back.
This is fantastic. So as you play it to a point now, then you come and click on export, then you allow it to export completely. As you can see, that is exporting. Just exercise patient as he exports completely. As you can see, that is exporting. But after exporting now, we are going to be marking on done. Look at that done there. Click on done, you click on new project, then you mark on this photo here. Then you are going to be importing your background you want to use for this video. You import this background, click on this background, then you drag it to the duration of your video. After that, now that we are going to be coming back and mark anywhere, click on overlay, add overlay, then you import your main video. Now import your main video. As you import it, you want to make it fit the screen, all right. Then you locate where you want it to start from, click here and make a split, delete this first part, click it and drag it to the beginning of the video. Locate where you want the video to end, all right. As you locate it, you click where you want it to end, then you make a split and delete the last part. You come back now, click it and locate remove BG. Click on remove BG, auto removal, then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see, that is applying. But guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any magic effects or CapCut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. You love our video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorial. If you're just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Welcome back to this tutorial. At this point, you have removed complete, mark on that good, you go back, then you can come now and adjust this character the way you want him to be. After adjusting him, you click on add overlay, then you import this your mask head. make it to fit the screen as you bring it in, guys. You want to make it fit the screen, then you go and look for remove BG again. Locate remove BG, click on remove BG. This time you are clicking on custom removal. Then you can mark anywhere, adjust your removal. After making your necessary adjustment, the number you want to, click on brush, then you brush out this mask head. We are going to make it fast because we don't want this video to be too long. Then you brush it out, after which you mark on that good and go back. Look at it now. This is good, this is fantastic. So you can crop it now, position it where you want it to be. Just do your necessary adjustment, how you want the mask or where you want the mask to start from. After your adjustment now, you are going to be clicking on this mask. You are going to be dragging it out. After you view it, then you click on this mask, then you drag this mask out. All right, drag it out. You add keyframe here, so drag it out, add keyframe this place now. Then you adjust the video, locate the position you want, how you want it to appear. Then you drag the mask out. All right, after drag the mask out, position the mask the way you want it to be. After that, now let us play it to see how it's going to play. Look at it. Look at the video now.
Go back.
This is the video. But at this point, I want to work on that character. So you come back and click on the character layer. You just work on the character yourself. Just position it the way you want it to be. After that, look at the result of the video. You play it to see whether there is any way we need to make any adjustment. All right.
There is
danger
ahead. Go back.
So that you see if there is anywhere the video
needs for your own good. Go back.
You can see that the video did not play till the end. So you want to click here now, look for freeze and freeze this part. All right, go and look for freeze, click it and locate freeze. Let's freeze this part so that the video will play with the character to the end. All right, so you freeze this part, you click this one and drag it back. Click the last part and drag it back. Click on this one, then you drag it to align. So at this point this video is ready. We play it from the beginning to see what we have got so far.
Go back.
As far as I'm concerned, the video is ready.
There is danger ahead.
Is to
go
remember
back.
to add your sound effects.
There is danger ahead. Go back.
After which you can now export your video to your gallery.
It's for your own good. Go back.
Things I want you to put me through. Don't
if
worry.
you continue this journey, you will not make it. Go back.
DM me, then I'll put you through.
There is danger ahead. Go back.
And after that, you can now export this video to your gallery and now share it to social media handles. All right. So at this point now, you click on export here. Click on export, then you export this video to your gallery. You allow it to export completely. Now this video have installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. All right, but guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any magic effect or CapCut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. You love our video, you love what we are doing, smash your like, but locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.